The Ramkinker Baij Memorial Art Camp held at Prakriti Bhavan, Santiniketan from the 16th to 21st February 2025 brought together artists from Santiniketan Kala Bhavan, Praktoni and Riti Academy of Visual Arts, Shillong. This collaborative initiative followed the Thoh Shun Art Camp in Shillong in 2023 and fostered artistic exchange between seasoned and emerging talents. Dr. Ashok Das, renowned art historian and former director of Jaipur City Palace Museum, delivered the keynote address, emphasizing the evolving role of art. The event also saw the release of Kot, a book by Raphael Wajri on Khasi myths and legends. The camp featured painting and sculpture workshops, cultural performances and lectures, including insights on Ramkinker Baij's Shillong connection by Dr. Jhanak Shankar Narzari. A highlight was the recitation of Khasi folk poetry or Pawer and a screening of Apot, a film by Raphael Wajri. With over 30 artists from Santiniketan, Meghalaya and Assam, this event strengthened cultural ties, celebrating Baij's artistic legacy while fostering cross-regional collaboration.
It's been another pillar of success, attending this kind of event with the legend Janakda and having Thoh Shun Didira, Mishti Didira, and taking care, loving brothers. সবাইয়ের নাম বলবো না, কাউকে ছেড়ে দেব আবার বলে দেব, বলে আমার নাম বললে না বলেনি, তো সেই জন্য and I would like to thank my friend Mr. Raphael Wajri of Riti Fine Art Academy. আমি বাসুদাকে ধন্যবাদ জানাই, এত একটা সুন্দর একটা সুযোগ দিয়েছে আপনার প্রেমাইসেতে কাজ করার জন্য। আর আপনার স্টোন থেকে আমি অনেক কিছু শিখেছি আর অনেক কিছু ইন্সপিরেশন নিয়ে যাচ্ছি আপনার স্টোন কালেকশন থেকে, আর স্পেশালি ফসিলস।
For this wonderful opportunity and experience, and also to our Raphael sir for guiding us all the way from Shillong here. And it has been a very good experience for me because I've known Santiniketan for I've heard about Santiniketan, but I've never been to Santiniketan, so this is a very monumental moment for me.
Taman ikikenten ikerman yau su keliang ye gwele bahai ibele taman ikenten yau ingo edam yau tri kerat yau pan ye kerku kerda yau ye su keliang ye gwa keliang ye